A single man's suitcase was found to be full of silicone during a security check. Pressing on it produced a sound. The security officer asked the man to open his suitcase for inspection. The man appeared very nervous, especially since there were minors around, but the officer suspected there was something dangerous in the suitcase. Despite the man's repeated assurances that it was just personal belongings, the officer insisted on opening it. When the man didn't comply, the officer took out his radio to call the police. The man quickly presented his legal documents, but after reviewing them, the officer requested additional police support. It seemed the man couldn't avoid further scrutiny. Reluctantly, the man opened the suitcase. The tension rose dramatically. Even a nearby little girl looked serious as the suitcase slowly opened.